Where to buy gold. Click the link below this video to get a free guide on how to protect your wealth with Gold IRA. Welcome to our short guide on buying gold. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about investing in this precious metal. First, let's talk about why you might want to consider buying gold. Gold has been a valuable asset for centuries and has proven to be a stable investment during economic uncertainty. It's also a great way to diversify your portfolio and protect yourself against inflation. So, where to buy gold? There are several options, including online dealers, local coin shops, and even banks. Online dealers offer convenience and a larger selection of products, while local coin shops provide a more personalized experience. Click the link below this video to get a free guide on how to protect your wealth with Gold IRA. Banks typically offer gold bars or coins for sale, but their prices may be higher than those of other sellers. When it comes to buying gold, there are several types to consider. Gold bars and coins are the most common choices, but there are also gold exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Gold bars are available in various weights, ranging from 1 gram to 1 kilogram, while gold coins come in different sizes and denominations. Once you've purchased gold, it's important to store it safely. Some options for storage include a safe at home, a safety deposit box at a bank, or a storage facility specifically designed for precious metals. In conclusion, investing in gold can be a smart decision for those looking to diversify their portfolio and protect their assets. With the right knowledge and careful consideration, buying gold can be a rewarding experience. Click the link below this video to get a free guide on how to protect your wealth with Gold IRA. Click the link below this video to get a free guide on how to protect your wealth with Gold IRA.